Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Annaca, and Annaca, happy anniversary, happy 1 year, or is it almost 13 months now?
Yes, it's been 1 year.
And tell me about your experience, and tell me about your new hairline.
Yeah, okay, so the experience was awesome. Of course, you and your team, I feel like you all did a great job. You all made me feel so comfortable. I was so nervous coming in, but you all, really made me feel at home. The procedure wasn't bad at all. We had our music going. I was so comfortable. Everyone was so nice. And I mean, the process afterwards was, really easy. I just had to be patient with it. Just kind of let it grow out, didn't touch it, didn't, do too much maneuvering with it. And then slowly but surely, everything just started to kind of grow in. And it was like kind of overnight, just like a little cabbage patch. Everything just kind of sprouted up. But I'm so happy with the results. I could not be more satisfied. I would definitely recommend it to anyone that, was really suffering from hair loss. I was super insecure about my hairline, and I wanted to do something about it for, quite a while. And then when COVID happened, I was like, well, I'm going to be at home. I feel like this would be the perfect time to kind of, get it done. I could be in the comforts of my own home with it while I go through the whole growing process. But no, everything was fantastic. Your team called me every check-in, on the spot. So it was just awesome. The hospitality was, hands down. I just couldn't ask for more.
Thank you very much for all those compliments. And your friends, what do they say about your new hairline?
They really can't believe it. A lot of them didn't know that I suffered from, hair loss. And so, I kept it covered up for a very long time. Not a lot of people knew about it. Like my mom, my sister, my family knew. But I really didn't tell other people about it. So when it did start to grow out and I felt a little bit more comfortable telling people, they were just like, oh my gosh, I can't, what happened, what? And so I'm showing them pictures in my phone, and they just could not believe it. They say, they really can't tell that, anything was really done as far as like the suture line goes. I really can't feel anything, can't see anything. Of course, they want to see, well, where did they cut it? And I'm like, I don't think you're going to be able to see, the line's not there anymore. Everything's all cleaned up and clear. But, they're just kind of in awe, like really can't believe it.
Usually it's the hairstylist that goes ahead and says, they actually see the progression, and they're the ones that are most astonished about the entire procedure. They're like, I cannot believe how much hair is growing back, or how full did this look.
Yes.
And you are wearing your hair however you want. You can style it now however you'd like. And you had a pretty big area that we worked in. And I'm going to show the before and after pictures. So it's incredible to see. You chose the hairline. We kept it a little on the higher side, which you wanted, and you made the final decision where you wanted your hairline to be, and I love it. So I'm going to actually have you turn to the left if you don't mind.
Okay.
Awesome.
So I'll just kind of hold it up some.
Perfect. And then let me have you turn to the right and hold it back. Perfect. And then look at me and put your chin down just a little bit. Awesome. And it looks so natural. It really looks like if you wear it back in a ponytail or anything.
Yep.
It's relaxing.
It looks so good. It really does. I could not be more satisfied.
And I thank you so much for volunteering to do this video. All of our patients who do videos volunteer to do a video, and which makes it so realistic for the community to see somebody who's willing to do a video to share what you had gone through, and hopefully for people to learn that hair transplants do work.
They do.
And it's a great experience.
Yes, I would highly, highly, highly recommend Natural Transplants, and specifically you. You were so fun to work with. It was awesome.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.